Yo, what's good? I heard you want to know how to airwalk, so let's go. I got you. Step 1 foot forward, slide it in. Step 1 foot forward, slide it in. Step forward, slide it in. Step forward, slide it in. That's the basics, okay? But then the next part is when your foot is forward, the other foot that's back, you're gonna have your weight on that foot. So you should be able to like lift that foot off the ground. You also want to be able to lift this foot onto the toe as you slide this foot in. And that's the basic mechanics of the airwalk. One foot's forward, one foot's back. You have your weight on the back foot. And as you slide this foot in, you go up on the toe. And the hard part is the coordination and the timing of sliding this in and lifting this up, because you want to get it like perfectly together. So it goes slide and lift. Then from there, you step this foot forward, slide and lift. Let me show you other side. This foot steps forward, then it slides as this foot lifts up. Then you step that foot that just lifted up, step it forward. This foot lifts up as you slide. Let's repeat it 2 more times. Step, slide and lift. Step, slide and lift. That's the basics. So step, slide, lift. Step, slide, lift. Step, slide, lift. Step, slide, lift. And the illusion is that your upper body doesn't move at all. So you want to focus on isolating your lower half, just your legs and your hips move. Upper body is not moving. That's the illusion. And then the third and final part for the airwalk is instead of putting your foot on the ground, you just hover it a little bit above the ground, like 1 inch off the air, 2 centimeters. Same thing. You slide this back as this goes on the toe, but once this foot has slid back, it's gonna land on the heel. And then you'll put the rest of the foot down. As this foot then steps out, hovers above the ground, slide it in, step on the heel, and put your foot down. I'll just face the front so it's a bit easier. There you go. Step, let me take a step back. Step, slide and lift. Step, slide and lift. Step, slide and lift. Step, slide and lift. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Oh, 2 more times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've practiced it so much, the skill of transferring your weight from your left foot to your right foot should become so quick and easy and smooth that the illusion starts to look a bit more real. So it's all in your weight transferring from one foot to the other. Go through it again from level 1. Level 1 is just put your foot out, slide it in, put your foot out, slide it in. Level 2 is when you lift the foot as you slide it in. So that's level 2. Foot out, slide and lift, foot out, slide and lift. Foot, slide, foot, slide, foot, slide. And then the last one is you hover your foot a little bit above the ground, and as it comes in, it's gonna land on the heel, and then it places back down. Out, hover above the ground, land on your heel, place it down as the next foot goes out, land on your heel, step, out, heel, step, out, heel. Once you got that, you can try and like swing your opposite arm to your leg. See if you can get like a flow. And that's the airwalk. Once you got it, you can practice like changing angles. You can even walk like very smoothly, just like heel toe, if you want to do a locomotor airwalk. And then you could go back to the regular airwalk. You can combine it with your glides. You can do a non-locomotor moonwalk. That's our airwalk, everyone. There's also a reverse airwalk, but we're not focusing on that today. Last time, airwalk. All right, everyone. Cheers, yo. That's a quick little free class for a little promo for my website. If this takes your interest, feel free to check out hisrealnamesclarence.com. Thank you, peace and love. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you, everyone.